This is the Gardenia floor plan at Carmel Terrace. Upon entering, to the side, you'll see the dining area and fully stocked kitchen with all major appliances, including refrigerator, microwave, range, and dishwasher. Looking back this way, you can see the living room with the wood-burning fireplace. Through the bedroom door, to the side you'll see the master bedroom, which will fit a king-size bed, standard walk-in closet, and the attached bathroom. This bathroom has 2 linen cabinets for extra storage and a bathtub shower combination. All apartments at Carmel Terrace feature central air conditioning and heating, as well as a private patio or balcony. In this closet, you'll see the full-size side-by-side washer-dryer and some storage. Again, this is the Gardenia floor plan at Carmel Terrace.